Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're short on time, like me and the majority of people out there, the CrunchCup is for you. This is something that you need if you're a busy mama, a busy student, a businessman on the go, and you don't want to miss out on that most important meal of the day, the breakfast. It stops your cereal from getting soggy. It even helps you with portion control. There's so many things I love about this. Let me show you how easy and how fun it is to use. So the CrunchCup is made out of extremely durable, BPA-free plastic. It's dishwasher safe. Each cup has its own hole so that the cereal and milk won't meet until they hit your mouth. So that's a bonus, keeps it from getting soggy. It's all apart here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together and have your breakfast on the go. So as you see, you put the cereal in the smaller cup, you screw the lid on, and then the other double little lid here where it allows you to control the flow of the milk. And then you put the two of them together, screwing it on to the bigger cup. And there you have it. Breakfast on the go, minus the spoon. And pretty much with any type of cereal, this is super easy and super fun to use. My son really enjoyed it, and I even gave it a shot. It's so cool. I want to do it again. So if you're not too sure if you're wanting to give this a shot, I suggest go for it. Go grab yourself a CrunchCup. They come in different colors. They're so fun and easy to use. They're the perfect company for busy people on the go. And that's my point of view.